god, I look horrible. What am I gonna do with this beard? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed whatever that sequence was, because I'm never doing that again. If you're looking for a beard straightener or even a hair straightener, I really like this Aberlite Pocket. The thing that I like is the surface area is really small. I used to have a different beard straightener and I just found that the surface area, that much of surface area all on your face at once, just didn't really do an amazing job at straightening my beard. And I just felt like I wasn't getting every part of my face. With this, that's not a problem. It does also have a swivel cord. I know that's important to some people. And then of course you have the Velcro so that you can keep it nice and tidy. These go on Amazon for I think about $40 to $60. I'll have a link in the description in case you want to check it out. It's super easy to use. To turn it on, you just have to press and hold the power button. To turn it off, you press and hold the power button, and once it's on, to cycle through the different temperatures, you just tap the button until you hit the temperature that you like. I find that 360 degrees on my beard is perfect. Now here you can see me straightening my beard. Honestly, I didn't realize the first time I was straightening that I was not recording. So I went in and did it again after it was already straightened. So I might be damaging my beard here a little bit for you guys, but I did want to demonstrate how I use it. And what I like to do is basically from the top down, just kind of pull my beard hair through the brush. And then I go from the bottom up as well. And I put my hand there for kind of surface area so that I can truly straighten out the beard from the bottom going up as well. And then I just do one final from the top down and I get the mustache as well, and it just looks really straightened. With how bushy my beard is, there's sometimes no amount of trimming or product that can keep it tamed the way I like it, and a beard straightener is definitely something that'll do that for me. Before you straighten your beard, I would highly recommend that you use some oil to protect the beard from the heat. I have never, even with the extra that I did today, I have never actually burnt any hair off my beard. And like I said, the beard oil really helps kind of protect the beard. So put that in, let it soak in for a few minutes, and then straighten your beard. And never straighten your beard when it's wet. I know this is a weird one to put on this channel because normally I would put this on my beard channel, but I don't make videos there anymore. So I put it here. I don't want you guys to think that this is going to become a beard channel or something. It's really just things that I buy. This is something that I bought, so I reviewed it. And if you're into these short and to the point videos and reviews on things I buy and try, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And go ahead and give me a like and a comment, and then share this video with your friends, and then make a video of your own, and then share that with your friends, and then go to the grocery store, get some nice groceries, and don't forget to fill up the gas in your car. And also don't forget that it's Taco Tuesday and you can get some really cheap, delicious tacos. And then after that, don't forget to wash your car, because you've been driving out in the springtime and there's just mud all over your car. And it's really about time that you wash your car. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.